Team EPS is a 32-year-old company, started in the era of electronics on the printing industry with drum scanners. Back in the mid-'80s, that was the extent of electronics and digital in printing. From there, we expanded into the image setter era, then to the plate setter era, and about 8 years ago, we started into the digital print arena with HanGlory. At the time, we'd been working with a different one of their business units, a business unit called HandTop. Probably had done that for 4 years before we had the Hanway opportunity. When Hanway asked us to work with them on the packaging segment, we realized that they were in that segment much longer than we ever knew. And their experience in that, with the talent level of engineering that they have, made us realize that the opportunity was very good for Team EPS to join them to market the product in the United States. Realizing and learning myself how new the packaging industry is and how small it actually is, it was a surprise how dominant they really are worldwide in this. Now, most of their installs are in Asia, but they're the leader right now, the most units of corrugated digital printers in the field. When we realized that, the struggle they had in the United States is the expectation of service and support. The expectations are different in the United States, and I'm sure they are in Europe as well. So the reason they did ask us 3 years ago to help them in the corrugated segment, we're always a third-party service company, did work for very large manufacturers in the United States. Hanway, having 10 years of single pass, I don't know that anybody realizes how dramatic that is, because you're on the bleeding edge when you're doing this stuff 10 years ago. And it was difficult, and the technology was different, and it wasn't there today. But to have 10 years of experience doing that specific thing gives you a credible amount of experience and knowledge that other people don't have, other companies, other manufacturers don't have. The truth is, we lucked into it. We had a great relationship with the other segments. When we were asked on the Hanway side, I did my research, but you realized we got asked by a leader to join them, so yeah, we did it. Is a majority of it would be done on what they call litholam process, where they print a roll of paper with a litho press, and then they glue it to the corrugated stock. Now, there's a certain cutoff where it's cheaper to do that, but there's a certain cutoff where it's less expensive to do it digitally. I never realized that when we went into this segment, and as I'm learning, there's probably a cutoff where, say, if you're going to do 10,000 boxes, you go to litholam, a conventional type process that's cheaper. But if you're going to do under 10,000, it's cheaper digitally because you don't have to make plates. You don't have to do the lamination process. Hanway has done with the 1604 is allow the lower run boxes to be done much more efficiently and cheaper. In the future, the Hanway product line will certainly evolve as the needs happen. Specifically what the needs are going to be, we don't know. Customers will tell us that. I'd like to say thank you to the whole HanGlory organization, because we do work with 2 of the 7 business units. 5 years ago, Team EPS as a company was only 5% digital. 2025, we're 98% digital, only 2% offset. So as we grew our partnership with HanGlory, we changed our whole company. And the truth is, we put all our trust in them, and this company's built around HanGlory. Congratulations on the 10th anniversary. We've been very fortunate to work with you to a point that we've changed our whole business model to supporting HanGlory as a whole. Hanway is a primary product in the United States, and our whole future's going to be built around Hanway. So congratulations. Happy 10th.